Okay, lesson quiz, colonial trade and government. Directions. Read each question carefully. Determine the best answer to the question from the 4 answer choices provided. Number 1. According to the theory of mercantilism, a country is strengthened by A. Importing more than it exports, B. Exporting more than it imports, C. Trading only with favored nations, or D. Balancing its imports and exports. 2. What important product from the West Indies was at the center of the triangular trade route? Was it A. Rum, B. Guns, C. Molasses, or D. Lumber? 3. What important product was traded to the West Indies in exchange for that product? Sugar, B. Slaves, C. Cloth, or D. Guns? Number 4. The upper house of each colony was A. Elected by rich white landowners, B. Appointed by elected officials, C. Appointed by the king or his officials, or D. Elected by the colonists. 5. Which group had the fewest rights? A. Men who were 21 and older, white, Christian landowners, B. Women in England, C. Single women in the colonies, or D. Married women in the colonies. 6. The English Bill of Rights increased protections for A. Individuals, B. Parliament, C. Colonists, or D. Colonial legislatures. Next page, number 7. What advantages did the Navigation Acts provide for the colonists? And just give one. Then what disadvantages did the Acts provide for the colonists? You need to give one. Number 8. Merchants from New England who dominated colonial trade were called blank. 9. Many colonists established a blank or representative assembly. And 10. A blank is a list of freedoms. Extra credit. Number 1. What was the Great Awakening? Number 2. How did the art, literature, and music of the colonial era reflect the impact of the Great Awakening? 3. Describe what you remember about the social class system of the colonial era. 4. Define apprentice. 5. Define enlightenment. You are done.